Sanchez. I am the Food and Beverage Director here at Nick's Beverly Hills, and I want to make you my version of a Sienna cocktail. A Sienna cocktail traditionally is made with rum, amaretto, orange juice, and ginger ale, but we're going to kind of give you an upgraded version of it. So we start by muddling a little bit of ginger. Just get yourself a little bit of fresh ginger, a little piece into your mixing glass, and we're going to muddle it a little bit. Release that ginger flavor. Not too much because it can be a little strong. Just like that. And instead of using regular white rum, we're using spice rum. In this case, we're using Sailor Jerry. And we're going to do about 1 ounce of it. And we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of amaretto. I like using amaretto de serrano. Next, we're going to add our orange juice. About 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. And I also like adding a splash of fresh squeezed lime juice. Just like that. We're going to ice up. We're going to shake. And we're going to pour in a cocktail glass. We have a tall highball here. And we're going to leave a little bit of room on top. If you made your measurements right, that should work out perfectly, just like that. And we're going to top it. Instead of ginger ale, I'm going to use ginger beer. There's different brands out there. This is an Australian ginger beer called Bundaberg, which is my favorite. And we're going to top it off with it. That will make it, obviously, fizz a little bit. And the flavor of this ginger beer is really amazing. And then you can always garnish with a little bit of extra ginger. And I believe we're done. So here we go. It's my version of a Sienna cocktail made Nick Martini style. My name is Luis Sanchez, and please come visit me and I'll make one for you. Enjoy.